Hello everyone. Welcome to DKT's Tech Bite. Myself, Professor R.H. Deshpande.
Myself, Professor S.V. Chahan.
Today we are interacting with Shri Vilas Gupte sir. Sir is having vast experience in the field of color physics, color technology, and he worked more than 55 years in the field of textiles, plastics, and overall color industry. Right from the inception of DKT's Textile and Engineering Institute, sir is associated with us. He is a well-wisher of DKT Society's Textile and Engineering Institute, and frequently he is coming to our textile department as a visiting faculty, and he has been appointed as a council member of DKT Society. Sir, you told Color deserves a dedicated museum. So what are the objectives of this museum?
The Color Museum is planned. The main concept of this to entertain, to educate, and to excite the visitors who will be visiting the Color Museum. These are the main three objectives.
Sir, you told Color Museum will entertain, educate, and excite the visitors about the color. So how these three objectives will be achieved?
See, I have planned this Color Museum in such a way that there are a lot of colors games, and those are the interactive games. They will definitely educate. Secondly, these games, and there are a lot of illustrations, displays which will entertain the visitors, and these are the such things that the visitors would not have seen it before. So I think it will also excite the visitors. So these are the main three objectives, so that everybody will get entertained, educated about color, and also excited about the color. These are the main objectives.
It's really a nice thing, the color laboratory and all. So one question is there, what visitors will take away after visiting this color museum?
So when the visitor comes out of it, he will have wow effect on Center of Color Museum. So this is what I expect, that every visitor should get that wow effect, and he will plan again to visit this one. This is only my idea.
So what it will be comprised of?
Okay, there will be 12 spectrum. Spectrum is the name I have given. It's a small gallery. There will be, in addition, 5 big galleries, which will include interactive gallery. There will be a children's gallery. Then there will be a mini theater. There will be color research and training center. There will be color library. Mostly these are the things it will comprise.
Please tell more about it, color laboratory and all.
Okay, see, this small spectrum will tell you more about light, color and vision. There will be a walkthrough model of the human eye, where a person or visitor can detect how color is perceived. It will also show you how animals and birds see color. There will be also a color psychology section. Color psychology is very big section. Why I like a particular color and what is the behind it in my mind. It will show you that. It will be very entertaining for the visitors. Then there will be color astrology, and there will be many more such games which will entertain the people. So it will show you more about it. There will be also one lab where how a synthetic dye first was formed, so that today what we are using, all those 30,000 dyes are produced out of dye. So it will comprise all of this in this color museum.
So through this medium, which message you would like to give to society?
Okay, I appeal to all the people who are working in light, color and vision, and I am looking for support from everyone. So anybody has any ideas, suggestion, they are all most welcome, and I will be really happy to accept those ideas and implement them in the color museum. That is what I expect.
We will be waiting for this fantastic color museum, sir. On behalf of DKT Society's Textile and Engineering Institute, I thank you. I wish you all the best for this proposed color museum. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.